HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. Tables are very important in web designing, or especially for creating a web page. It will allow a developer to arrange their data in a single web page. So let's create a table. For creating a table, we are going to use the table element. So table, inside the table we have tr element and th element. Tr is for table row and th is for table heading. So first let's create tr, which is table row, and let's create th, which is table heading. So for table heading, we're going to add name. Let's add another table heading, which is name and number, or we can add age. This is a single row, the first row, which is heading. This element th is table heading and tr is table row. Now let's add another row, table row, and for table row we are going to add another element, which is td element. Td element is for table data. So now let's add data. So for name we are going to add Bob. For last name we are going to add td Tommy, let's guess, and for age we're going to add 34. So now this is a single row, excuse me, this is the second row. Now let's create another row. So tr table row and td table data. So for table data we're going to add a name Ahmad, Ali, which is his last name, and table is 40. Now let's one more data, table raw td, and let's Umar td Muhammadi, and let's add another td, which will be 50. So now let's save this. Now let's jump over to the web page. Now let's refresh this. So this is our table with data. The first row is heading and the three others are table data.